In this tutorial, we will be showing you how to upload a profile picture and cover photo. At the top of your screen, you will see some small icons. These are connected to your account, and that's where we are going to start today. If you hover your mouse over each one, you can see a little pop-up that tells you what it is. By default, everyone gets a purple letter for their profile picture. If you click on that, you will see what other people see when they look at your profile by clicking on your name. If you click on the purple letter, you will have some choices. You want to select Upload Photo. The image size for profile photos is 144 by 144 pixels, which is 2 by 2 if you're talking inches. The key is to make sure that it's square or the edges get cut off. So if it's bigger or smaller than that, it should work as long as it's square. As you can see, our Women for Sobriety logo is not square, so some edges were cut off. So we would remove that and either upload another one or fix that so that it's square. To add a cover photo, you're going to click on the camera that's in the upper right-hand corner of the cover photo. Again, you will want to select from File and choose your file. The cover photo size is 1200 pixels by 300 pixels. Again, if that makes no sense to you, you want something that is horizontal and rectangular in shape. Unlike the profile picture, the cover photo can be moved around a little bit if needed. So if your size isn't perfect, it won't crop it completely, but you can move it up and down and left and right until you get it the way you like it. Click Save Position when you are happy with the way it looks. And again, you can remove the cover photo and redo it if you like by clicking on the camera. And that's all there is to it.